That palm tree is just the nastiest thing to mulch. Like, anyone who mulches would agree. It is just stringy fibre. But you got to remember, my little mulcher is only designed to do up to 120 mil. That stringy thing, that was the smaller one. That's way more than 120 mil in that.
it's me. It's me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait. No need to hurry.
That palm tree is just the nastiest thing to mulch. Like anyone who mulches would agree. It is just stringy fibre. But you got to remember, my little mulcher is only designed to do up to 120 mil. That stringy thing, that was the smaller one. That's way more than 120 mil. Even that, yeah, it's hairy over here. But that's a big stump. And at the same time I was mulching that down as well. And then here's the other one is over here somewhere. Somewhere in here. It was even bigger again. Here it is. So, like I said, in the brochure it says up to 120 mil. So it's capable of taking out bigger stuff. It's just a bit slower. But maybe I need to upgrade because the type of work I do. Yeah, fair enough. All this stuff here, no problems at all. Like water off a duck's back. But when I get into the dead wood and heavier bits and pieces, it's a little bit slower, but it gets it done, gets the job done. Anyway, we got to clear this fence line down here, leave the big trees, take the small trees out, and and the vines and more palms. There's another big one right in there. That's me. Hope you enjoyed watching me destroy that. Thanks for watching.